The Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is warned President Emmerson Mnangagwa to rein in supporters attacking him, hinting that failure to do so could lead to another crisis akin to the 2017 coup that ousted President Mugabe. Sanabina mashoko atukuna panapa vakomana vepazi vanonyora chiti Chiwenga fires warning shots on mutungamiri wenyika Emmerson Mnangagwa. Go subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Chipina mna mubuda mugwa muchinzi. This warning reportedly surfaced during a tense ZANU-PF Central Committee meeting this week. According to sources, Chiwenga expressed frustration over growing indiscipline within the party, which he said was fueling divisions. An unnamed committee member shared Chiwenga emphasized unity and questioned, "We don't want to go back to 2017, leaving his words open and interpretation." President Mnangagwa, however, remained silent on the 2030 extension, reiterating the need for unity and discipline to achieve the party's vision 2030. Interestingly, the ED 2030 slogan was notably absent at the meeting. The intensifying factional struggle comes amid Zimbabwe's worsening economic crisis, sparking fears that the infighting could destabilize ZANU-PF and further alienate the public amidst rising inflation and unemployment. Tomashikwana mudanyuko panapa muZimbabwe vachiti aiwa tikuona vakomana ava vanokandana mashots vachikudzana maoni ekuti aiwa kana musikadi kuti tidzokere kuna 2017 udzai vakomana aiwa vanokuteverai kana vanotaura mapropagandas enyu aiwa vasamuataka. Mashoko atokana General Chiwenga mekuti mapowers ekuti adzosere nyika back to 2017 vanobaona kupi since muchingozwa kuti vakomana kuti ndigeneral ndiye akanga akabata kumauto. Kuti mafungiro emo tudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuda kumasection medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.